Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I review all kinds of crazy products, so be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit the like button. So today I wanted to talk about a cool new company and product that I just learned about recently. My trusty old toaster that I've had from the college days kicked the bucket on me. So I was in the market and I was going to go to a big box store, but a friend told me about Tobox.com, and so I figured I'd give it a try. And today I thought, it's a toaster, it's an odd review, but I was like, let me do it and tell you because I thought it looked cool. So, so first off, here's the toaster. What you get when you order it: simple box, instructions, little warranty type card thing. So I got what was the baby blue retro toaster. It comes in multiple colors. Pretty straightforward. It's very light. 2 slots, coils, lever to pull down. It has a cancel mode, a bagel mode, so it only uses the one side, and then defrost mode. And then this dial will determine how much you want it toasted. One of the things that's cool about, compared to my other toaster, which I bought at Target, is this one has like a cord management, because I don't really leave this on my countertop very often. And then the Crumb drawer here is very nicely concealed and hidden. So I thought that was kind of cool. So let me plug this in here. Another big thing that I noticed that was different, if I did like Waffles or something, it wouldn't go all the way in. So it's like the top would never get toasted, where this guy, the product goes in, you can see there's the toast in there. It's down there pretty far, so it fully gets toasted, which I liked. But why I got sold on it, everything on Tobox.com, they sell all kinds of appliances. So whether it's toaster, coffee maker, whatever, wine openers, utensils, everything was a great price. So I decided, let me check it out and give them a try. And I was kind of wondering, is this product that's going to arrive, is going to be cheap, And it wasn't. It's well designed. It's done very well. It's, things are thought out. So I've been really impressed with it. So next time Appliance breaks on you, instead of just running up to the closest store or hitting up Amazon or something like that, I would give these guys a try and see if they have a product that fits with what you're looking for. So I've included a link to their website down below, so you can browse. Of course, read the reviews of various products. They're kind of more new, so it's there's not a ton of reviews specifically on every single product. But as you can see, this guy's still going in here. Coils all nice and red and heated up. And one of the other things you can see, here a little light lights up at the front here, and in case I wanted to hit cancel. But that's it. It's pretty straightforward. So that way I'm not just driving crazy here waiting for this toast to pop. Hit cancel and bam, pops up. And I had it on a dark setting, and so you can see, toasted really well, nice and crispy. That's it. So like I said, I like the product, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's not my typical type of reviews that I typically do, but I thought it was cool, simple, easy product, so I felt you guys should know about it. Until the next review, like I said, subscribe to my channel and check out my other reviews. I do have other random, sometimes kitchen gadgets and stuff that I find useful around the house, because that's what I'm about. I like useful, helpful products. And until next time, you guys take it easy, and see you later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.